Hello YouTube gardeners. It's a beautiful day in Southern California today. We have a light breeze and it's mid to upper 70s. Beautiful day in the garden. I have lots to do. I'm headed overseas to the Middle East for about 10 days. So the main thing that I want to get accomplished today is transplanting my peppers. And most of them are ready. I have some that are they're growing pretty slow, but all of my green chilies are ready, and some of the jalapenos and some of the bells. So that's going to be my main focus today. Last year I had all my green chilies growing in this location, but I'm moving them. This year I have my purple cabbage doing beautiful over there. I've got some red romaine that I'm letting go to seed, and then my Asian greens. I've got some beautiful seed pods on this guy, so I'm going to let these guys dry up, and I'm going to move the green chilies to this bed. I've got a little bit of lettuce growing in the sides of the bed here. Got some strawberries and some onions, and I'm just going to plant all of the pepper plants in rows, and the lettuce will grow on the outskirts and in between the onions. I've started prepping the bed. I've added lots of organic soil. I'm going to be adding some Dr. Earth soil as well, the soil mix. And I want to make sure that the peppers start out right from the very beginning with a good quality soil. I want them to have lots of calcium available, so I will be also using some of the Dr. Earth fertilizer. Hi honey! It's pretty breezy today. Here it is. It's a 463. And it's got 7.5 of calcium. Turn it around. Hey pumpkin, can we get a shot? No, I can't get a shot. Let's see here. Oh, there we go. There we go. Here we are. 7.5% calcium. So I want to make sure that the peppers start off with a very nutrient-rich soil to give them the best possible start from the beginning. And here are my beautiful chilies and peppers. Got my big green chilies that we grow every year. Got some bells, some jalapenos, and I'm ready to get them transplanted. I'm going to get some organic soil and mix in some Dr. Earth planting mix, and then get these guys in their own little 4-inch round containers where they can grow a few more inches in there, and then they'll go in directly into the raised bed. And I'm also going to get these guys fed, and I'm going to feed them with a very, very diluted fertilizer. And here are the cucamelon seeds that I germinated. I wanted to speed up the germination process. I read on a website that cucamelon seeds can take up to 4 weeks to germinate. Up to, that means that they could take a couple weeks to a few weeks. But who knows about that website? This is my first time growing cucamelons from seed, but these guys germinated extremely quickly. It's only been a few days. You can see here that these guys already have little roots popping out. So whether they take several weeks to germinate when they're in the soil or not, I'm not sure, but if you're going to grow cucamelon from seed, this is the way to do it. Just germinate them in a damp cloth. All right, time to get started. Alright, I just finished with the green chilies. I have 16 plants. I'm going to get them watered and get them fed with a diluted fertilizer, and then get them moved to a location where they could be maintained while I'm gone. And when I get back, should see some pretty good growth. Alright, that's it for now. The next video will be transplanting in their permanent locations and caring for your peppers and chili plants and watering requirements. I hope you enjoy your week and enjoy your garden.